All right, we are on recording, and yeah. Stop it! Stop it!
I can't get to sleep. I think about the implications of diving into deep, and possibly the complications, especially at night. I worry of the situation. I know it'll be alright, perhaps it's just my imagination. Well, day after day reappears. Night after night, my heartbeat shows appear. Goes to fear and fade away. And between the sheets only brings the evaporation. It's time to walk the street, smell the desperation. Well, at least there's pretty lights. I know there's little vibration, and natural fills the night from overkill. Day after day it reappears. Shows again, goes to fear and fade away. Come back another day. I know we'll be alright. It's just overkill. Day after day it reappears. Night after night my heartbeat shows again. Goes near and fade away.
Thank you, Jeff. Thank you,
Thank you, Dr. Love.
Nice work. What's up?
Yeah.
Hey, YouTube. Jess is our next thing. Jess.